Welcome to this episode of Cardiac Physiology Tips and Tricks, where we will be introducing a quick and easy way to estimate the frontal axis of an ECG. Let's start with a quick ECG Axis Recap. Axis is the net direction of depolarization as it passes through the heart, and it's normally between -30 and +90 degrees, meaning normally electrical activity is passing from the top right of the heart to the bottom left. However, it is possible for the electrical axis to be outside of these boundaries. Left axis deviation is where the net direction of depolarization is between -30 and -90 degrees. And right axis deviation is where the net direction of depolarization is between +90 and 180 degrees. And the leftover region between -90 and 180 degrees represents extreme axis deviation. So, what causes axis deviation? Well, it can be caused by numerous factors. Heart attacks, ventricular hypertrophy, ventricular ectopy, paced rhythms, dextrocardia, and electrolyte imbalances. So electrical axis is an important consideration. So how can we quickly estimate ECG axis? There are many ways to determine axis, but this 4-step process is the easiest and quickest if you're in a rush. So step 1. First, we need to locate lead 1 and AVF on our 12-lead ECG. Next, we need to decide whether the QRS complex in lead 1 is predominantly positive or negative. If the QRS complex in lead 1 is more positive, we do a thumbs up with our left hand. If it's more negative, we go ahead and give it a thumbs down with the left hand. Step 3, we do the same for lead AVF and our right hand. If the QRS complex is mostly positive, we do a thumbs up, and if the complex is predominantly negative, the right hand does a thumbs down. For the final step, we just have to look at our thumbs. Both thumbs up, great, normal axis. Just the left thumb up means we have a possible left axis deviation. There is a chance axis can be normal with just the left thumb up, and that is one of the disadvantages of this method. If we have just the right thumb up, we can confirm the presence of right axis deviation. And finally, if both thumbs are down, we have the rare case of extreme axis deviation. And that's it. Start picking up some ECGs, looking at leads 1 and AVF and practicing this technique. Soon, you'll be estimating electrical axis in a matter of seconds.